Hello everyone, this is a daily roundup for GBPJPY and Gold for Money Squared YouTube channel. We suggest you to watch with 1.5x speed videos, because I'm a bit of slow talker. Let's go with gold. Let's remove all the drawings and remove these two alerts also. On the monthly time frame, we can see that gold is still bullish on the last 5 days. On a weekly time frame, we had made this week a lower week. We were bullish yesterday, now we come back probably to close bearish again, mirroring this candle here, and then next candle to break up to the downside like this. This candle here closed bearish here, next candle just made a wick next week and then come back down. So we go on a daily. On a daily we have found support to this level. We go till here. We can see that this level is a very interesting area because you have this support here, you have this resistance, this support, this resistance, this support, this resistance. Is a price where price moves quite a lot around that region, and we have a resistance here. On a daily, next support on a daily should be like somewhere like this, and then somewhere like this. For the downside, for the upside should be somewhere like here. You can see this whole region here is a rejection region. Now we have our daily. On the daily time frame, trend has been with this high breaking this previous lower high and this previous lower high, because this was lower low, lower high, came back, retest previous support, equal low. Now we came and we broke, we made a new low, we made a new low. Where was the base? The base was here. So this, we came back again, we didn't break this base, we retested here, but now we switched, we broke these lower highs. So now on a daily time frame we can say we are bullish, but I believe in weekly time frame we are still bearish. Yeah, because the base of this weekly move was right over here. So we need to break this to be bullish on weekly time frame, which also it's a bit tricky here, because yeah, this was a small retracement, but yeah, we can say we are in the. But a possible scenario is retesting these highs on daily and then move back down. But daily is too big time frame to check. Yeah, now we have 4 hour. Let's go on daily. 1 second, let me clone this on the 4 hour also. So we are good to go now. On the 4 hour we have this support here, and then we have another support here. We have this resistance right over here. Just move this one. We have this resistance right over here. Rejecting the resistance, we have a potential moving coming right back down. But if we don't reject resistance, we have a small resistance again here, which is like, how much is this range on the 4 hour? 74 pip range. This is a good range actually, also for the upside. But in the 4 hour we can see that there is this trading plan. Where is it? Price rejecting resistance, or price at resistance. Set up two scenario. We have this where price is ranging and then it closed bearish. Like, look, it closed bearish. This candle here engulfing all the previous candle, just like here, this candle here engulfing all the previous. So now what our trading plan says is, after we have a strong bearish candle closure like this one, we go and we enter the trade as the price breaks the low of the strong bearish candle. We enter the trade here, we stop loss above here and take profit at support right over here. But 83 pips is a crazy big stop loss, so we go, we adjust here. As soon as we flip, we break the low of this next 4-hour candle, and then we take this, we make at least 63. Still, it's very big, but this is our idea on the 4-hour. Let's go on the smaller time frame and check what's happening on the smaller time frame. On the smaller time frame, now we have an interesting scenario. Why? Because on the 1 hour we have this support here, which is quite significant because it was here support, here resistance, here support. Now we're starting again. So on the 1 hour we move the stop loss below these previous two 1 hour. Yeah, and then 2 hours we have a clean setup here, which we can move on the 1 hour. Yeah, on the 1 hour we have this setup right over here, which we also have this possible resistance created at this level here. So we can move this a bit up, this a bit up, like this. And then we put some alerts here in case we break to the downside, because we're looking for sells initially to come at least to this level here. We have a clean traffic of 60 pips, potentially 130 pips. Let's go on 30 minutes, let's check on 30 minutes. Yeah, on 30 minutes we are in the range at the moment. Remove this, you can see we are in the range. We need to wait, because we can go up and down as much as gold wants, and then they need volume to break to this level and then to go to the downside to clean this and this. So yeah, there is no buys yet, but since this previous 4 hour is strong candle closure, I still believe we're gonna continue down, because look, we grab order here, we tested this level, we closed back inside as a doji. Here we came, we went to the downside, grab liquidity, whatever, we came close bullish, next candle tried to push down, it didn't have enough power, so it came doji, and then next candle at 7 AM London pre-London Open just shoot down. So probably just keep going, it's gonna continuing down in my opinion. And then with that being said, it will also close the week bearish, which was what we were expecting. So yeah, this was a very extended gold analysis, but this is what we need to do actually every day, a much more deeper analysis, so we have our broad view of what's gonna happen. making our all trades align with each other. Risky buys above, let me put it here, 12. Risky buys above as for our strong bearish closure, weekly possible bearish closure. Possible bearish closer, very aggressive, for wait. Let me just make this here. Okay, and then we have a text here. For our strong 7 a.m. 7 a.m. for our strong bearish closure. Bid volume, wait for confirmations, not trade range. Now let's go and move on GJ. On GJ we already had a crazy move. GJ monthly made a rejection. Weekly is starting to retest these levels of resistance. Let's go and remove all the drawings. Delete, delete, and delete. Gold is moving up, okay. Weekly coming up to that level again to the upside. This can be a fake out to the downside, but coming up maybe just to retest, and we can still continue and keep going down. We broke previous daily highs, which still, as long as we respect these highs here, we are on a bearish momentum. We have this level here, at this level here. We have this level of support here. We are in a range at the moment. Previous 1 hour was very bullish. Like, look for example at support, boom, next candle should keep going up. 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour is crazy. GJ is nothing at the moment. GJ, I would say, only coming up to this region possibly, and then either rejecting or breaking and going above. But above we have these crazy high traffic areas where price can reject at any point. This is no trade range. No trade range. We will wait for just rejection here and then to come back down, or rejection here and then to move up. But I'm not sure if I want to do something with GJ today, to be honest. GJ is very tricky. Shade on the top. Yeah, GJ move already happened, unfortunately. But let's say if after this candle here we could have taken this buys, but too risky. After this candle here, for example, 330, we have seen 100 times this candle just keep going, coming back, and then just keep going to the downside, to the upside or to the downside, and the other scenario. 30 minutes close with no wick at the top. We will wait for rejection in this area here. Clean rejection, and then next candle to just come back down and recover all this move that it does. But for GJ at the moment I don't have any opinion. I will make an update if I see something a bit later after some candles form or something, but yeah, because it already have move happened, I'm not gonna focus too much on GJ. Today my main focus is gonna be on gold, to check on these regions here. Gold 30-minute close above here, so we will see what happened with these buys. Thank you for watching. This is a very extended analysis. I hope at least on gold you have an understanding how we did this analysis, because GJ was a bit quick and short. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.